In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Binance account so you can get back in safely. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and tap Login. Under the password box, tap Forgot Password or Can't Access Account. Now enter the email address or phone number you used to register your Binance account, then tap Next/Continue. Binance will send a verification code to that email or phone. Open the message, copy the code, and enter it back in the app. If you still have access to your 2FA, Google Authenticator/SMS, you'll just be asked to set a new password. Create a strong one, confirm it, and your account will be recovered. If you lost your 2FA, for example, you changed phones, choose the option like Security Verification Unavailable or Lost Google Authenticator. Binance will guide you through extra checks, such as confirming ID details, uploading ID photos, answering some security questions. Follow each step carefully and submit your request. Once Binance approves it, your security settings are reset and you can log in again with your email/phone, new password, and new 2FA setup. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.